in our Acharya's teachings on Nam, although there's a very simplistic, easy teaching, just chant and hear. But our Acharyas, Goswamis, Jiva Goswami Pad, and other Gaudiya Vaishnava Mahajans, they say we're chanting japa, and it's called mantra art chintana. Mantra art chintana. We're supposed to think about the meaning of the mantra. Jiva Goswami, Gopal Bhatta, Sanatana Goswami, Vishwanath Chakravarti, Narottam, Vishwanath Chakravarti, Raghunath Das, many. It's called mantra artha chintana. Boliye. Art, meaning of the mantra, art, meaning of the mantra, chintana, to think. Not just the Shabda Brahman Shuniye, mix karke. Hare Krishna, then the meaning, and many meanings are there. We have our book, you can take the book in Hindi. Art of Chant, Art Kala, what's it called? Jap, Art Kala, whatever. Study that book, you'll get great benefit in 7 different languages. Maybe you got it before, but you should deeply study it and apply the techniques. Reading, parai, cable parai, okay, parai, good night. Hello, goodbye, parai. This is like cookbook. Cookbook always in the kitchen.